MLA ka BJP uba AL hek mentaka arpho khandai tarik kala lingkot araja arpho saw ulaong bakala I ka por ki Paidbah ka Meghalaya ban Pdiang ke BJP khnang ban urlong ki jingdawa bat ban tuet ki kampen roy uba hek ulaong bahakani ka kanti kan sadon ka jingkala ka bajur bha ka jala ha ka ba ka BJP kan kiu bha ha ka election MP banwan bat ka BJP kala trei miet bat sngi khlam shong that ban penshai ban pensngo thu ki Paidbah ki skim ban roy ki balawan ra ki Paidbah nadu ke ying baduk ka skim hadu tingkong ying ka boarding ka surok ka skim nong rap nalor ki babun ba ki bala pentri kam hapo ka jingalam menteri rang ba du kari India Narendra Modi ulaong bana peneng ki laingut ki papan tiket kenthop uba Ernest Mauri ka kong Fenela el nong lait ka parti sengkmi kan jet ya uwei uba biang tam.
Also one of the aspirants for content until unless the official announcement has been made. So we cannot say everybody can be aspirants. I have already told if we have that good candidate, that is fine for the national leaders to select. Entire thing depends on the national leaders. They will take a call on this. They will zero down the candidate for both the seats for Tura and also for Shillong itself. Too many places, particularly in all the rural areas, in all the districts, we have seen the response, a very positive response of the people for BJP this time. See, it takes time, but the time has become a very right time now, and you will see 2024 how the transformation will take place for BJP in the Meghalaya and the entire northeastern states. Only one party which I have told several times, just working day and night 24/7 for all kind of party activities and also particularly for preparations of the elections. Criteria is survey, everything that is done by the national leader. There is nothing to do with the state. State can recommend anybody, any name can recommend. Can recommend one name, we can recommend 3 names, we can recommend 4 names. But the decisions to zero down is the national leaders of the BJP.